Welcome to 12.2 Day 2 Notes. Theo's getting a little antsy over there, so he might be trying to talk to you guys. Here we go. So we're going to solve this expression like we did yesterday. So I'm going to distribute this -8 to both terms on the inside. And when we say distribute, we mean multiply. So we're going to do -8 times 6. And if you're a little rocky with your signs, let's type it in here. So 8 negative times 6 is -48. -48 x plus 3 times -8. 8 negative times 3 is -24. So we're at plus -24. You can put in parentheses. Another way you could write this is -48x minus 24. Both ways work. Both ways are correct. So now it's your turn to do this on Nearpod. On your mark, set, go. All right, welcome back. So you had to distribute that -4 to both 9k and 9. So -4 times 9 would have got you -36k. And plus -4 times 9 again is going to be -36. Again, you could also wrote this as -36k minus 36. Both ways are equal. They're the same. All right, hopefully distributing is getting a little easier for you. Today we're going to keep doing the converse of the Pythagorean theorem. Today we just have some word problems, but it's the same work that we were doing. So Katya is buying edging for a triangular flower garden she plans to build in her backyard. If the lengths of her 3 pieces of edging that she purchases are 13, 10, and 7 feet, will a flower garden be in the shape of a right triangle? So same stuff we did yesterday. So first of all, we got to find the longest one. 13, 10, or 7. Which one's longer? Hopefully you said 13. So this is going to be our C, and that means these are our A's and B's. Doesn't matter which one. So C comes at the end, so it's going to be equal to 13 squared. And then we need 10 squared plus 7 squared. And now let's just solve these with our calculator. 13 squared is 169. 169 equals 7 times 7 is 49, plus 10 times 10 is 100. So 100 plus 49 is 149 equals 169. Which one? Are they the same? No, they do not equal each other. Which ones? So therefore, so the answer to the question though is will the flower garden be in the shape of a triangle? Answer is no. So no, but what kind of triangle is it? No, it's a, remember which side's bigger? Is the hypotenuse bigger or are the sides, the legs bigger? The hypotenuse is bigger, therefore this is a obtuse triangle. So say no, it's a, actually and, because the next word starts with a vowel, an obtuse triangle. And that's it. So most likely, the word problem will give you the 3 sets of numbers. Make sure you read and make sure they don't give you any weird numbers, like numbers you don't need. So let's move on to the next one. So it says a blueprint for a triangular playground shows that the sides measure 480 feet, 140 feet, and 500 feet. Is the playground in the shape of a right triangle? Explains. We gotta find the biggest one. 480, 140, 500. 500 is the biggest one. That is our C, and these are our A's and B's. So it's going to be equal to 500 squared. These are going to be some big numbers. And then we can do 140 squared plus 480 squared. All right, so let's do 500 squared. Woo, 250,000. So 250,000 equals, all right, let's do 480 next. 480 squared, 230,400 230,400 plus 140 squared, 19,600. Okay, definitely use a calculator for this one, guys. Let's add these together. Remember, so this is in our calculator. Let's put this in our calculator. 230,400. 23. Oh, Ms. Abbott didn't press the plus button. 230,400 plus 19600. Oh, 250,000. Isn't that what we have on the other side? 250,000 equals 250,000. They equal each other. So yes, this is a right triangle. Yay, cool. All right, let's do one more. Okay, it says a triangular piece of glass has sides that measure 18, 19, and 25 inches. Is the piece of glass in shape of the right triangle? So which one's bigger? Which one's the biggest one? 25, you're correct. So that is going to be our C, and these are our A's and B's. So C comes at the end, so we got 25 squared, and then we got 18 squared plus 19 squared. So let's solve these in the calculator. 25 squared, 625. 625. And I need 18 squared, 324. Plus 19 squared, 361. And add those together. So leave that in the calculator. Press the plus button because I forgot that last time. We're going to put 324 equals 685. 685 equals 625. Uh-oh, they don't equal each other, so it is not a right triangle. So we're going to start off by saying no. No, because it is a what? Which side is bigger? The left or the right? If you said left, you are correct. So the left side is bigger, the legs are bigger, so that means this is an acute. And again, it starts with a vowel, is an acute. This starts with a vowel, so it has to be A-N, not A. No, because it is an acute triangle. Ta-da! All right, hopefully this is making sense. Let me know if you have questions.